Oh man, look at this, guys. So this is the 95 Cobra R. I'm back at Fast Lane. Last time I was here in the last video, I asked them if they had any or they were gonna get any. So they were getting a 95 this week. And I was like, oh my gosh, this thing's clean. They messed it up though. Put the damn front license plate bracket on. That's ridiculous. I don't see brake ducts. That's odd. Unless they got them removed. None on that side either. Got a little twig down there. It's got the rims. They look to be in pretty good shape. Number 91. They're asking $40,000 for it. So if you can see that. Oh, number 118. Sorry. 4,900 original miles. That's crazy. There's the famous basic cloth seats. Rear seat delete. Radio delete. Crank windows. No power or anything except the mirrors. So I was actually told that the mirrors are powered because Ford didn't have any manual mirrors for these cars. So I guess they just used parts from V6s and stuff and kind of didn't have the manual mirror option. So pretty clean though. The horizontal taillights like the 94s and 95s had. Brake light and the spoiler like the 94s and 95s had. It's got the SVT emblem. That exhaust is hanging a little lower than the other side. Sticks out a little further too. No fuel cell, it's just got the standard gas tank, which is odd, and these were supposed to come with fuel cells. Very clean. There it is right there. I'll zoom in a little bit. 4,930 miles. Seats are in good shape. I mean, you can't really tell wear on cloth like you can on leather, so it's hard to say. But it's very clean. Let's see if there's somebody here that can pop the hood on it.